Chapter 18 Conjunctions. Conjunction is a word that connects or joins clauses, words, phrases together in a sentence. Conjunctions are also called linking or connecting words. For example, Arman and Pawan went to the party. Here, and is a conjunction that joins two words. The water was warm, but I didn't go swimming. Here, but is a conjunction that joins two sentences. Types of conjunctions. There are three types of conjunction. Coordinating conjunctions, subordinate conjunctions, correlative conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions. A coordinating conjunction joins parts of a sentence. For example, words or independent clauses that are grammatically equal or similar. Coordinating conjunctions include those such as and, both, but, else, so, still, for, yet, therefore, whereas, while, or, either, neither, nor, monthly, but also, as well as, no less than, no sooner than. Coordinating conjunctions are of four types. First, conjunctions that simply add one statement or fact to one another. And, he is intelligent and kind, as well as, Sham as well as his sister are coming to the party. Both, she is both beautiful and clever, no less than, he is no less guilty than his brothers are. Not only, but also, he was not only punished but also fined. Second, conjunction that provide alternative or offer choice between two things. Or, do you like coffee or tea? Either or. Either me or he will top the class. Neither nor. The film was neither exciting nor entertaining. Else or otherwise, I must pay my debts in time. Else or otherwise, it will be a problem for me. Third, conjunctions that express opposition or contrast between two statements. But, the new city hall is amazing, but it's going to cost a lot. Only, poor people are not allowed in this party. Only rich people are allowed. Still, or yet, he still, or yet, has not returned my phone call. Nevertheless, there was little chance of success. Nevertheless, they decided to perform the surgery. Whereas, while, you treat the matter lightly. While, whereas, I myself was never more serious. Fourth, conjunctions that infer a fact or a statement from another. Therefore, there is always some bad news somewhere, and therefore always a reason not to invest. For, I drank some water, for I was thirsty. So, it was a long journey, so I am really tired now. Subordinate conjunctions. A subordinating conjunction is a conjunction that is used to link a subordinate clause, also called a dependent clause, to an independent clause. Subordinating conjunctions include those like after, although, though, because, before, unless, until, if, so that, than, where, while, why, what, how, as, since, even though. Subordinate conjunctions can be classified as follows. First, conjunctions that tells time. Before, call me before you arrive. After I left him a message, he phoned me immediately. While, her parents died while she was still at school. As, she arrived early as I expected. As soon as I saw her, I knew there was something wrong. Since. We have been friends since college. Second, cause or reason. Because. I did it because he told me to do. Since. Since you ate the ice cream last night, we don't have any dessert tonight. As. Go to sleep as it is 11. For. I cannot see, for it's very dark. Third, result or consequence. She is so weak that she cannot walk. Fourth, condition. Whether. He seemed undecided whether to go or stay. If anyone calls, tell them, I'm not at home. Provided he is welcome to come along. Provided that he behaves himself. Unless. I would not pay unless you provide the goods immediately. In case. Keep the blanket in case it gets cold at night. Fifth, concession or contrast. Although the weather is cold, everybody is out. Even though. He went to work even though he was unwell. Even if you take a taxi, you will miss your train. Though. It was raining lightly, though the sun was shining in the sky. Sixth, comparison or degree. Than. He is more clever than his brother. No less than. No less than half the students failed the test. As. She is as beautiful as her mother. As much as. He likes hockey as much as he likes basketball. Seventh, extent or manner. As. I have done my homework as I was told by the teacher. As though. They were shouting as though in panic. As if. She felt as if all her worries had gone. Correlative conjunctions. Correlative conjunctions work in pairs to join words, phrases, or clauses. The correlative conjunctions are either or, neither nor, both and, not only, but also, whether or. Joining words. My uncle is not only a doctor, but also a pharmacist. Joining phrases. All of these clothes are either too small or worn out. Joining clauses. Either Mahima will bring drinks or she will bring brownies. Correlative conjunctions are stronger than coordinating conjunctions and emphasize the relationship between the ideas being joined. Notice the difference in the following sentences. Cats and dogs make good pets. Coordinating conjunctions. Both cats and dogs make good pets. Correlative conjunction. Sheetal or Mamta found my bicycle. Coordinating conjunction. Either Sheetal or Mamta found my bicycle. Correlative conjunction. The most common correlative conjunctions are: first, either or. You can either drive your car to the grocery store or ride your bike. Either I drive to the airport or I get a taxi. Second, neither nor. I am neither hungry nor thirsty at the moment. She neither spoke nor smiled as she walked by. Third, though or although. Yet, though or although she is very intelligent, yet she is not able to get through the entrance exam. Though or although he is innocent, yet everyone suspects him. Fourth, both and. I used to like playing both football and basketball when I was young. Both Britain and France agree on the treaty. Fifth, such as. There is no such country as you mention. He is not such a man as you admire. 6. Such that. The boy asked such a foolish question that everybody laughed at him. The man spoke with such passion that all listeners were moved to tears. So, or as. It's not as heavy as I thought it would be actually. I stood behind the tree so as to avoid being seen. 8th, so that. It is too late so that we cannot go to cinema. We went inside so that we wouldn't get soaked. 9th, hardly or scarcely. When or before. She had scarcely finished reading when she fell asleep. Hardly had I arrived home when my phone rang. Scarcely a day goes by before they don't see or talk to each other. 10th. Not only, but also. Lily eats not only string beans but also broccoli. The candidates campaigned not only in Uttar Pradesh but also in New Delhi. 11th. Whether or. We were not sure whether to stay here for dinner or go somewhere else. She didn't know whether he was laughing or crying. 12th. Rather than. I drink coffee rather than tea. She eats slowly rather than quickly. 13th. No sooner than. No sooner had I closed my eyes than I fell asleep. No sooner had the teacher finished the lecture than the students began to ask questions.